Established in 2010 in Shenzhen, China, Xinhongrong Precision, Shenzhen Commerce Ltd. operates from a large facility with around 40 dedicated employees. We specialize in high-precision manufacturing, utilizing advanced equipment including multiple 4-axis and 5-axis CNC machining centers. To ensure strict quality control, we use modern CMM inspection equipment. Our capabilities allow us to consistently achieve tight product tolerances ranging from 0.005 mm to 0.01 mm. We proudly manufacture excellent components for truly diverse demanding industries, including automation equipment, aerospace, medical devices, and automotive parts. With a strong commitment to manufacturing excellence, our premium precision products are successfully exported to satisfied clients all across the globe.